Hello! Today we are going to try to fix this absolutely beautiful swamp cooler. It is quite interesting design, as you can see, and that's because that device was intended to be operated inside of vehicle. So if you are trucker, if you've got RV, basically you can purchase that device, you can stand it somewhere, and you've got device that pretend to be air conditioner, air cooler, which of course it isn't, it is just a swamp cooler. But I've got beautiful place for it, and it is my computer desk. It sits next to monitor and it's working perfect until it failed. So let's take a look at the visual design, and it is really pretty, gray colors, my colors, I love it. Inside we've got like a paper film or some sort of material. On top we've got our water tank that can be easily removed for refilling, and on bottom we've got a valve that needs to be pressed to be open, so you can carrying it like this, not a single drop will fall off. You undo this. Inside you've got elements that you can put in freezer to cool the water more, but I was just putting regular tap water. You feel it. You've got that element that is going to be pressing. You go like this. You lock it, and now the water go into small tray, and we've got those paper films element. They are going to be soak wet. We've got a fan that is going to be blowing our air. It's going to be evaporating from that film, that paper, and it's going to be using simple physics to cool down. For maintenance, you can open that tray and you can remove the paper film, and it presents like this. So maybe you can put it into like a dishwasher to clean it out. But in general, as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful design. I really enjoy it, and it looks better than most of the home appliance. And I love that design. It looks like on car you can adjust where the airflow would go. Absolutely beautiful. It was made or imported by a very well and reputable German company, and it is 12 volt. Of course, it's not pulling a lot of power because it is just a fan. And here we've got our 12 volt input. It's rated half amp. And we go into our technical problems because it had ability to adjust speed, and it's not working. It was cutting speed by half, and that was what I wanted while sitting in front of computer, and it's only working full blast. I believe there might be a magnet, and as you can see, if that would be inside your car, then you've got a magnet. We are going to try it out. I've got this absolutely beautiful power bank that I will be reviewing, and it's got a full-size cigarette lighter adapter, so we can use almost any car appliance. We've got the full-size plug. We go here, and we've got our full air blast. Middle should be off, and the top should be like half of the speed, so the fan should be slowed down, but it's not working at all, and that was the level that I was constantly using. So let's try take a look. I expect the screws are going to be under those elements, but I still got water, so I will try to pry out our switch. And this is what we've got. We've got our switch. Here we've got also something inside that thermal shrink tube. Let me take a look at this design, because it's quite interesting. So let's assume the middle one is going to be our power out, our common. Then the power can go straight from the terminal to the fan, or it can go through that resistor. This is how it's designed. So let's measure our switch. We've got a problem because from my observation and measurement, looks like that resistor is open. It's open, and we've got really big problem because it was constantly heating up, and I've got absolutely no idea what kind of value did it get. So that's not good. That's not good. We are going to have figure something out. We are shifting gears and mounting PWM module that I've got straight from China, and it will allow us to adjust temp. We are going to drill hole. We are going to make unboxing. Just take a look what we are going to find inside. We've got absolutely beautiful mini module. Yeah, we make mistake. We should first check, do we have space inside? But yeah, we didn't do that. And this is how it presents. We've got pot, so we are going to be adjusting our speed of fan. And it should not create heat, because that was scary, that was bad design, and it broke. This will last. And we've got even switch. That's quite interesting. This is interesting. Here we've got a pinout, just in case it would be interesting. And let's take a look. Do we have a space? And beautiful, we've got a lot of room. This is absolutely beautiful. We can consider that job being done. Absolutely beautiful. So we are going to mount it like this. Should we drill hole, or should we connect it as is and try it out? Is it working? Yeah, let's drill hole. That looks great. Let's take a look. We go like this, and it will be absolutely beautiful. Just take a look at this. I purchased special device for cases like this. Just take a look. We grab this. We press button once, second time, and we go like this. And tell me, how does it look? Let's take a look. We should remove that switch, get rid of those two speeds. That should be our first thing. Let me search for switch. Proper switch is going to be that one with one set of contacts. Let me take a look. So that wire go into our fan. This one go from tip, so that is going to be positive. And let me unsolder it. This is going to be absolutely beautiful job. We undo that. We undo this. It's going to be looking like it was manufactured by the company. That go into trash. So this is going to be our DC input. This is going to be our output, and the output is going to be modulated by PWM, and we should find the output positive, which is here. So we are going to be mounted into that slot. Output plus goes there. Absolutely beautiful. This is exactly what we've got. That is going to be our negative output, so let me unsolder it. Go like this. We also going to trim it. How does it present? In my personal opinion, absolutely beautiful. Now we have to attach our power negative and power positive. Do you remember this from my video? I believe I purchased it at some of birthday, and we can nicely grab cable that we need. We are going to color code it red. Just take a look, and it go like this, and we can basically snap it in place. I would like to have it off in the position where the gravitation pull it, so that's the correct orientation. And we are going to solder it there. Absolutely beautiful. And now this wire go into the positive. Let's screw it in. Our positive and our negative. So I'm going to grab, of course, the black wire. We are going to cut the length that we need. Go like this. When you've got correct tools, everything is like a breeze. Okay. And our last connection. We go like this. That's going to be either big disappointment or absolutely beautiful success. We go like this. We are going to nicely secure it. We are going to grab pliers and secure it just like that. It nicely clicked. We've got our pot. And let's try to power it on. Our beautiful power bank. And are we going to get short circuit? Nothing is spinning. We are on. Fan is spinning. Switch off. On. Working. Adjusting. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. Just take a look. We've got a full blow. And I can dial it down as I want. As you can see, I clean up our workspace. We've got part that we replace, and this is the end result. Does it present like it was made by manufacturer? In my personal opinion, yes, we've got absolutely beautiful two red things. I grabbed that simple tool that will allow us to observe the airflow. So let me turn it on. And you can observe the airflow. we can nicely adjust. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.